Girls, living life. Hi guys, it's Crazy Cat here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Crazy Cat. I do lifestyle beauty travel and you should subscribe to my channel. Today I'm here with Carissa. I'm doing a girls trip. Hi. We're going rafting. I'm showing you some of the journey already. But right now, we just look out for the ops because them outside today. People just have a lot of things the police stop me. Pull over and I say, Jesus peace, I hate this. But I never will, thank God.
Thank God.
But let me get off my phone before we probably see some and they stop me from being on my phone.
Say you're bad from which part? Tell a pussy we no gun dip tag. Like Chinese war so the clip tag. Show it up and make you fall from your disc tag. You know one on a disguise, man a big tag. I saw you disappear if you never did ban. Me no walk up a kilo, me not just a sing song. With the people your mother tell you keep fam. See tech full of them like this tag. Feel me guy come me know the enemy. Them a pay and me know they're not happy for me. People are ball and a spin cause we bad than we mean. But the kind thing calamity.
Guys, we reach. I say, just a while ago, people were reaching, you know. And me say, alright, I'm going to stop and negotiate with them, man. Because me don't drive past them and I say, no, I'm going to stop and negotiate with them.
Hashtag support the locals.
Because I know that the price to raft at White River, when I came the last time, it was 7,000. So I write it in on my notes. I write down every price I ever get in on my notes. I write down 3,500, right? Because I know it's 3,500 per person. The man I got tell you 5,000. So I say, alright, that's not bad. No, him tell you 6,000. I say, sir, I now have $6,000. We are going down at the beach. A beach will come for go. So then him say, alright, I can give you for $5,000. Say, alright, cool. Then him say, per person. Say, yes, sis. What's that per person? What you mean per person, sir? Same I say, $10,000 that. So me I go to $1,000 off. Nobody don't have $1,000 to give you. What? $10,000 for a raft is crazy. It's insanity. We'll come down at the beach now and we're asking the security like how much for go rafting until with $7,000. You see that? That's how much $3,000 we'd have saved. We are saving by just coming to the right place. So if you don't come rafting, I can show you where to go though. But if you don't ever want to go rafting in White River, it's $7,000. Don't matter nobody tell me otherwise.
So where do this true? Like
White River.
Sandantan?
No, White River Beach. Sandantan is on White River Beach. But White River Beach is a separate property. Like them charge different price than Sandantan. If you go Sandantan, you pay $1,500 to enter the beach.
But the rafting are still on White River.
Right.
Oh, so you have the river people them and the beach people them are charged for rafting on the river.
You get it, Mom?
I think so. Not me thinking so $6,000 per person.
People and Carissa well are willing to pay to, you know. She say, but that not bad. We just drive off the car. Because what you mean? People, this girl was gonna pay $6,000 for herself alone. To go on a raft. Girl, you got money. My friends are rich per, but no.
Of the price, no, I had the wrong understanding in my head all along because all this time for many years me a rafting price me I think say per person. So I think rafting in my head did always seem expensive because even Lethe, when you tell me the price for Lethe, Me I think a per, so me not think per off.
Nobody don't got that in this economy. No, babes.
2 hours later.
Puerto Rico. Costa Rica. Hey, you know something like that? I have me saying. Peanut heart first. That's where I got it. It's on us. So now we're going to go rafting. Guys, say how much it is, man? With the reggae song.
For the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the guys out. I'm a mind that's you the talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. Yo, but we are nothing's friend from see the first time. We don't have to be the one to make you happy on the regular package, but the one who can stop me no one.
Girls living life. As we should. But here people no come down to the beach part if you don't want a discount. And not a discount if you don't want the right price. Because
They must still try trick or not.
yeah, because him did not try to trick with people, but it never worked. Skin is glowing though. Fur. Yeah.
I know holy, and I know them care pose like the Baba Frayo. Ayo, don't cry, yo. And if you go and shadow, 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 and if you go and shadow. I dey put a cut when them kill Obama. I dey try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani Churu. I'm a white dog in Venice.
Guys, somebody just told us say water cool, so I really want to go in there.
I like them.
The skin is nice though, the sun is nice, the weather is nice, the beach is nice, my friend is nice, life is nice. Life is nice. Yeah, not that cool. You're not cool. Oh, wait. Look at my hands. In the water, so in the water. Wonder if someone goes
Me in the water,
in the water.
I wash out myself.
Where? Where's Sunday? Where? I enjoy the water. Yeah. I'm gonna put on my phone before I enjoy the water.
Getting closer to midnight. In my dress and your skin tight. I just did all the getting lost. Got a mood up to feel right. Getting lost, going in a minute. It could be like you know. I know we had a war, but we still chill now. Just me and you. I just need you in my space. Could you meet me at my place? Ain't no way you can replace our body.
We left. How would the place name? We left White River and now we're going to Chiba.
Actually, this is Sharp Park Beach Hotel and Spa.
That's it, name.
I've been with triplet, I've been with friends, I've been solo, where do I begin? And to me, you are a star, so still. Even though I found your pretty ass out in Mobile. Ever since I caught you all that ice, you got no chill.
This is good. I like this. This is Oreo cookie and cream. Yeah. It's nice. That dong. Now we need to look some food and then go to our yards because as you can see, night is coming down. Chill Pops Ochi rate it. Guys, sorry, Chill Pops Ochi. Oh, look at the background. Yeah. That's real pretty. I would say, yeah, the same 8 out of 10. I feel like this customer service at Negril better. His customer service wasn't bad enough, but
It's just though better.
yeah. So 8 out of 10. Guys, I recommended a place, so we're trying it. Otorios Jerk Center. Yeah.
Never try to waste your time, ain't never try to waste mine. Proved it a million times, whoa.
Hey guys, it's Editing K here, and I'm just here to give like a little recap of everything and give you guys some clarity on, you know, where we went and what we did actually, and the prices and everything, because I know some people are interested in rafting and are often misinformed of the prices when going rafting. So we went rafting on White River in Ocho, and we went through Shaw Park Beach. It's located on White River. I thought it was called White River Beach. That was my mistake. It's not White River Beach, it's called Shaw Park Beach, and it's located right beside San Anton Hotel. So if just type in any one of them, San Anton Hotel or Shaw Park Beach, there is a $800 entry fee for that beach, and honestly it's definitely worth it. This is not sponsored. Them not even know some I met this, but I love that beach. It's my favorite beach. It's my favorite beach in Ocho Rios. It's clean, it's big, it has music, you can bring your food. So it's a really good beach. I suggest you going there. And don't get me wrong, other beaches are nice in Ocho, you know. But to me, it's either them too small or you can't bring no food or them not no music. Shaw Park Beach has all of that. So that's my go-to beach when I'm going to any beaches in Ocho now. Yeah, I'll go there. And they also offer services such as jet skiing and rafting. The last time I went was in my Ochi vlog. You guys can check that out up here. It was in my Ochi vlog, and jet skiing was, I believe, 4,000 for 2 people. I don't remember, don't quote me on it. I probably said it in that video, but this video we did rafting, and rafting was $3,500 per person, which totaled up to $7,000 per raft. I don't know if they're going to raise the price now in Christmas time or raise the price overall any other time when I go, but we went in September. Yeah, we went back in September, and it was $3,500. When I went in January, it was also $3,500 per person, $7,000 per raft. And so I think that's a good deal compared to when them man they did that charge away when we stop at the river, because when you stop at the river is a different price than when you go to Shaw Park Beach. So that's why I'm emphasizing on going to Shaw Park Beach, because when we stopped at the river, them that charge $7,000 per person, baby, not for the raft. And at Shaw Park Beach, you're charging $7,000 for the raft. So bang for your buck? Yeah, I think so. So the total that we spent that day was $4,800 plus 3,500, $4,300 total for beach access to that very big and beautiful and clean and deep beach and a raft, compared to if we were to pay the $7,000 to just do the raft. No, the man did charge us an additional $2,000 for the limestone foot scrub something. And if I didn't know, I'm not try like bash nobody business or nothing, but if I had known that I'd have to pay an extra $2,000 just to get my feet rubbed in dirt, I wouldn't pay it. I guess you're paying for the experience. That's what I was telling myself. I'm paying for the experience. So I just pay for the experience and, you know, bend my pocket. So yeah, it's an extra $2,000 per person if you want the limestone rub. Honestly, I don't get it for the experience, but you don't need it. Like the man literally just rub limestone on your foot. Just ask him for some, just buy some of my limestone. Honestly, just buy a bag, and that may go the next time. Just buy a bag and rub it on my foot and act like say I them do it. Because I have $2,000 and then them say if it's full body it's $4,000 and if it's just half of your foot it's $2,000. Crazy. But yeah, that's I think that's all the details you'd need. We also went to Chill Pops, which is located in Island Village, Ocho Rios. That was good. It's the same icicle like in Negril. It's good. It's a good experience. It's really aesthetically pleasing. That's why we love going there, because it's the lights are pretty. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. You know, we're growing and glowing. So just subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. People may try to do this vlogmas something. May I try to do 2 videos a week starting next week, because I have exams. Like, hello, I'm a college student. So next week, look out for 2 videos. No promises, probably just get 1 depending on how stressed I am, but I'll see you guys.
This shit too decent. Scale of 1 to 10, she a 10 piece. Usually I'm the one with the groovies. Shawty so bad.